Go. Your most powerful weapon is your media, love. Get on there. Go listen to her because she can't do nothing for you.
I'm not playing no more. I'm not playing no more. Of course.
Yeah, so you're gonna see
Of course.
your most powerful weapon.
No, call her for me. Let me.
I feel like all of this is set up. I really feel like it.
So, who did this festival? Was it you?
No, I'm not. I'm just helping out for the festival. I'm just an assistant. It's JIT and Crispy. They're the one that does the festival.
Okay.
So I'm assisting and helping them out. So
Who does the festival?
So that's your most powerful weapon.
No, I'm not playing no more.
Exactly.
Thank you for the stage. I'm not playing no more.
Your most powerful weapon is on social media. Use the weapon. There's no need to argue with anybody here. Your most powerful ally, your most powerful weapon is a social media page. That's the most powerful weapon. Use it.
Let's go.
okay, let's
Green room? Let's see how better light in the green room.
No, I'm not playing. No, I already told her thank you for her stage. I'm not playing.
listen to me.
I'm not playing.
Get out.
I'm not playing.
Listen to me.
No, I'm not playing.
Hey, no,
Hold on.
You have to play.
I'm not playing no more. I am not playing. No, they already cleared the stage for me and I left the stage because I'm not playing. No, this is super unorganized. Let me tell you something. I'm here to promote my culture. I'm not here for anything else but my culture. And this is what I get. No, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Pas celle Gaël. Pas fucking play. Qui complot ça? Qui me let derrière ma belle? Okay, that's fine. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
You have to play. You don't have to back up. Yeah, you don't have to back up. You gotta play.
Okay, c'est pas yo gâté même. Fanatique moi paye pour yo venir là.
I know for you.
Oh,
Tu laisses le jouer.
I thought that.
pas jouer. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
The most powerful weapon is not to play.
No, I'm not playing, Reggie. No, I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
The most powerful weapon is not to play.
Where is Marlon? Alright, I'm gonna start talking. Va commencer à parler, but hold on, please. Va commencer à parler, m'a expliquer nous ça qui passé depuis avant, depuis à 9h30. Hold on. Depuis 9h30, when you schedule time, when my call time. Okay, I have my call time from 9:30. 9h30, get call time when sous stage. What happened now?
What happened?
No, I'm not. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. Lise mette complot, pas de jouer.
No, they pay for you. They pay for you.
Huh?
They pay for you.
Listen to me.
Fuck it.
They pay for you.
You just play. You
They pay
just
for you. You have to
Yo,
pay.
yo pas supposé quitter bagarre là, escalate côté Rivière Original. I don't care what you want. I'm not playing, Gael. I'm not playing. No. Depuis à 9h30.
Son fucking complot lié.
Pas
Fanatique, il a fini. Faut jouer. You have to play.
pas jouer. Bon, moi-même, je joue sous live là. Je joue sous live là,
Fanatique, il a joué.
pas jouer original.
I know. I understand. I understand, but you have to
I'm not
play.
playing.
Yo mets un campé là. Florence, listen. Listen to me. Vous fait nous cap cadeau.
Let me tell you something.
Let me talk. I talk. Son complot lié. They did that on purpose.
So don't worry about it.
I am.
Alice, you can't do
C'est ça qui passe là.
Yes.
I'm not going.
Shoot forward. So.
I'm not going. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. And no, my husband is not wrong for that. No, he is not wrong for that. Yo tellement connais my husband is not wrong for that. Promoteur qui book nous an. Li di nous comme ça que c'est nous qui gagne raison. OK, li mande pour tout le monde de sauter sur stage là, c'est nous pas choisir rester sur stage là, OK? C'est nous même qui pas choisir rester sur stage là. All right? This is all bullying. All right? C'est purement bully à bully moun sur stage là. Ça c'est purement bully. OK, même moun qui fait programme nan, li te prêt pour le faire tout jazz descend pour nous être capable monter stage là. OK, parce que my husband is not wrong. Don't say my husband is wrong for that. No, he is not wrong for that. You know how long we've been waiting to get on this stage? I'm not getting on that stage anymore. You got me fucked up. I'm not going on that stage. No. No. And I deserve an apology. Okay? Even the owner met ici à la même. Yo vin relem pou m'jouer, m'pap jouer. I'm not playing. My call time was at 9:30, okay? We were supposed to play after Kenny. Même manager Kenny vin kote m. Li di sou pa monte. Li pa bon pou ou. Okay, même manager Kenny, tous les deux managers Kenny yo vin kote m. Yo di sou pa monte l pa bon pou ou. Tellement yo connaît qui setup qui fait en l'air, qui complot qui fait en l'air. Tellement yo connaît qui ça ka passé, qui complot gen. Okay? I'm so nice. M'ba cham pale. Tout bagay m toujours acceptel. But this time, I'm gonna talk. Okay? It was a whole setup for me.
Get off the light. Get off. Here.
Hello?
Get off the light.
Huh? Yes. Hey. What you mean I have to play? Come on, after this whole setup.
You do. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Get off the light. Get off the light. You have to do.
Listen, this shit is a whole setup.
Okay.
It's a whole motherfucking setup.
Hold on. Come here.
Okay. 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 Okay.
It's time to go.
Okay.
Come on, Lee. Come on, Lee.
We're playing.
Finale. We gotta go.
Okay, I need you guys to keep going where I can hear you. Keep moving the car.
Let's